Ankur and Maham are playing the role of Major Percy. Parth is playing the role of cameraman. Ramandeep is playing the role of Murphy. And I, Sabri, hold the entry of this skit. In this skit, Harold as Gaurav is the son of Mr. Bramley and Mrs. Bramley. Harold is an intelligent child as well as ordinary child by all standards. So we can start our skit with the scene 1 at home. Mom, I have learned my poem. Please listen it from me. Please start. My poem name is God Made a Wonderful Mother. God made a wonderful mother. A mother who gives... I think I forgot my lines.
Please don't take stress and go out for a walk and make your mind.
Scene 2. Harold is going for a walk and here he is going again and again. Scene 3. Bill is coming to White Hart for training. Scene 4. During training at White Hart.
Come on, Dave, you can do it. Let's make a crowd. Come with me. I had a great opportunity. You had a tournament with American Movie, and you need to win it. If you win, you get 500 pounds, and even if you lost, you get 100 pounds. So you have to worry. Take your time, and you can put this money on Harold education. Now you have to fight with Percy. Do it. Come on, fight.
Scene 5. After the fight with Percy.
Hey Bill, congratulations, you won the fight once again. So why did you decision go to fight with Murphy?
I think I am not going to fight.
Yeah, right. You do not go to fight with Murphy only for the sake of your son Harold.
Yes.
But
Scene 6. At home. Talking between Mr. and Mrs. Bramley.
Now I tell you, I will fight with Murphy or not.
What's the problem? Will you can share your problem with me?
Now what I will do, if I do not fight with Murphy, I have to lose.
I don't have an idea about it. If you have a mind to fight Murphy, so you can go. As your trainer, ask that you can invest that money in the Harold's education so you can go.
Okay, I am going to fight with Murphy, but I ask that there should not be.
Next day. Scene 7. Tournament day. Fight between Mr. Bramley and American Murphy.
See, Bill, as I promised you that there are no cameraman, no reporter. Now you go and have your match and you have to win it.
They will do it.